Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be basically doing whatever. I don't really have a solid plan. I think we're gonna go to a mall, shop, and you know, whatever. Here's the outfit. Yas, slay. What a queen. The lighting isn't really that good in here right now. Oh, thank you. The sun just kind of came out a little bit more. But we're gonna be filming outside most of the day today, I believe. So the lighting should be better. Okay, cheers. Moana is one of my favorite stores to go to, other than a thrift store, and it's gonna be so fun. It's giving Pilates princess. Pilates princess. Okay, but why do I love this? Why? Like, I feel like it fits my aesthetic but doesn't, you know? There's a sale. It's kind of crowded. It's fine. We've got one thing secured. It was from Zara. It's a dress. Now I'm gonna go to Sephora. Let's find some makeup. Guys, Sephora was sold out of literally all the stuff that I wanted. Like what? Like what? Excuse me? So I didn't get anything, okay? I didn't get anything. Okay, that's okay though. That's okay though. Okay. From my entire outing, I only got one thing, and it is from Zara. It's a cute little dress. I made a short of it on my YouTube page. I'll show a snippet of that here and then link it. Maybe you'll just have to click on my page because my other videos are really good. Yeah, that's all. I went on an outing, it was fun, and I got one thing, and that's okay. Also, Zara had a sale, so that dress was like $12. Got a pretty good price off of it. But yeah, there's a lesson of consumerism in there, and I'm not the one to figure it out. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Cheers, goodbye, au revoir.